Shall we go to Got Dao together? Let's go!
이번째 이야기는 꽃다오 첫 번째 여행기입니다.
Good morning everyone! My Thai friends and I, we drove overnight from Bangkok about 8 hours to get to the seaport town called Chumphon town. And we got here around 4 a.m. so we actually slept in the car for a little bit. And we're gonna take the speedboat about an hour and a half to get to Got Dao. It's still 6:30 so I'm a little bit tired. Shall we go to Got Dao together? Let's go!
We finally arrived in Got Dao after almost 10 hours. But before we start, lunch first. At this cool restaurant by the beach, we had a chance to talk to the owner and listen to his story. He met his wife on this island and decided to stay. Together they built this place from nothing over 15 years ago. Isn't that amazing?
Ko Nang Yuan, a small tiny island that's about 20 minutes boat ride from Got Dao. Look at this, it's amazing. 3 small islands that's connected by this middle ground, white sand. So you get 2 beaches on both sides. And look at this. Okay, I'm gonna go up there to see the whole island view. Okay, let's go.
ถ่ายวิดีโอให้เบิ่งตลอดเด้อค่ะว่าการเดินทางนั้นเป็นแนวใดนะคะแล้วก็สิมาอัปเดตให้ฟังโอเคบ๊ายบาย
In 3 days, we covered more than 10 locations around the island. It was quite fun, but quite tiring actually.
네, 그러면 드디어 한번 시식해 보겠습니다. 그러면 여기서 빠에야, 여기 꼬따오 스타일의 빠에야, 스페니쉬 라이스죠? 오, 맛있겠다. 너무 배고프네요 지금. 뭐 맛있네요. 누룽지 같이 이렇게 바삭바삭거리면서 간주 잘 돼 있고, 이 뭐야, 여기 매콤한 샐러드, 얌씨 스타일, 시그니처 음식이라는데 한번 먹어보겠습니다. 러장후, 러장후. 맛있네요. 이거 되게 입맛에 딱 맞아요 아주. 김치 만들 때 그 젓갈 있죠? 그 젓갈 맛 나는. 이거 쏨땀인데 파파야 샐러드 있죠? 파파야 샐러드를 튀긴 거예요. 이거는 튀겨가지고 이 파파야 샐러드 여기 찍어 먹는 것 같은데 한번 먹어보겠습니다. 이건 새로운 맛이네요. 쏨땀을 이렇게 튀겨가지고 먹으니까 이것도 맛있는데요? 드셔보고 싶죠? 배고프시나요? 나나 배고파요? 헬로. The owner of this hotel is driving us back. Hello.
Hello.
I love Koh Tao. It's very peaceful. Just the way I like it. No, not many tourists come here, so yeah, they preserved it very well here. Yeah. Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy shit!
프로젝트는 비록 취소되었지만 덕분에 꽃다오에서 즐거운 시간을 보낼 수 있어서 너무나 행복했습니다.
So Nana's gonna speak in Isan dialect with her friend.
กาซิมากับผู้ชายอยู่ประมาณ3คนนะคะแล้วก็มีหญิง2คนนะคะกะสิเดินทางโดยตัวไทย 3 men แล้วก็ 2 girls สิกลับมาอีกทีกับวันอาทิตย์งามกลางคืนนะคะแล้วก็
Yes, chai.
แล้วก็สิ
No.
แล้วก็สิ
코다오에 같이 갈까요?
เฮ้
예.